What's going on?
We've got to get out of here.
It's a war zone out there. They got Falk.
What do we do?
You know, I wonder where everyone went.
I'm not gonna get it.
Yeah, how about you get it?
I'll get it.
Hello? Yo, who's that on the phone?
We have to get out of this school.
But what if this is happening all over town? I mean, this could be the safest spot.
We should try the superior media medium, AM radio.
I repeat, please do not go outdoors. The Staplers have demonstrated extreme hostility towards humans. No word yet on what could have possibly caused this, but hey, no, oh no,
I guess we're stuck here.
It was only a matter of time.
Time is a flat circle.
Oh God, help me! Stapler's over there!
Action. It's okay, they're just staplers. There's no way they can open the door.
Dead bodies.
This is the end of times. This is the apocalypse.
I've been shot. I think it was one of the staplers.
Yeah, it was probably one of the staplers.
Sic transit gloria.
Glory fades.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I killed him. I aimed my gun at him and shot him.
Those staplers killed our friend. We have to avenge him.
He even said, I've been shot. But those things don't have guns.
And the only way to avenge him is to kill as many of those things as we can. Either you're with me, or you're against me.
Yeah, all right, man. Take it easy.
You see why this is necessary, right?
Well, I guess it brings the video to an adequate close.
Have you gone insane?
Dude,